Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Yes, it's Onyi Oyori Kitchen. Today we're gonna make akara with crunchy. Okay, so here is our beans. Do you know that you can wash your beans within less 5 minutes? Yeah, I washed my beans less than 5 minutes. It was really so easy to wash. Okay, you don't need to soak your beans overnight or soak it for a long time. So here is my beans. You can see I just added it inside water and give it a normal wash. So after washing it, I transfer it into my blender. Okay, so after transferring it into my blender, I have to put some water. You make sure the water covered the beans very well. Okay, so after this we will start blending. We'll be blending it bit by bit. Give it like a second blend. You blend, you stop, you blend, you stop. You understand? You're gonna make it at least for 3 or 4 times. Okay, you can see me, I'm blending it, I on and off. So after this you bring it out, so it will remove all the skins. The blender will remove all the skin, but it's not gonna, you know, crush the beans. Okay, so you can see me now, I am filtering out all the bean skin. Okay, it took me 5 minutes to wash. Yes, everything took me five, the shot not even up to 5 minutes. Before 5 minutes I'm done with washing. It was so easy and fast. Okay, this is how I wash my beans. I don't leave it so long, I wash it immediately. So you can see this is the second filtering. On the third filtering everything will be clean. Look at it now, I finished washing it. It was so easy. Just try it. You don't need to soak it or using your energy. No. So this is the easy way to wash your beans, and it will be very clean. Check out now, look at the beans, very clean. It didn't take me up to 5 minutes to do this, honestly. So here are all the ingredients we're gonna use in making this yummy akara. Okay, so you can see me, I just transferred my beans inside my blender. Okay, I added one paprika and one onions and two seasoning cube. Okay, then you add half cup of water. I know here now we don't need much water because we want it to be very thick. Okay, so you have to blend it until it become very smooth, and for you to achieve this you need a good blender. Okay, or you can go to, yeah, a good blender is the best to give it a smooth blend. Okay, so you can see me blending it right now. You can see it getting more smoother. Okay, please share my recipes, please. Okay, now I am done with the blending. So after this you transfer your blended beans in a bowl. Okay, why after transferring it you can also put pot and add your oil, for your oil to heat up. Okay, because we need the oil to be heated before frying. Okay, so you can see me now, this one is optional. You can use whatever you like to turn your beans. Okay, sorry. So here is our beans. So now I am adding some onions. I love onions. It's just for people that love onions like me. So I just added some onions, just maybe one onions. Okay, check out, look how it looks like. So now my oil is already heated, so I have to add some onions inside my oil. This onions is just for the flavor. Okay, so after I have to remove the onions, then I will now start frying. So this is me frying it. You can see now I have to start adding my oil, my beans, blended beans inside my oil. Okay, please, don't use too much hot. You shouldn't allow your fire to be too hot, not too hot, not too low. Okay, just a normal level of, heated fire. Okay, so after that I have to flip up my akara. Now I'm flinging it up. You have to be turning it. Okay, you can see it will be very crunchy. It has some crunchy. If you want to enjoy akara, this is the best way to enjoy it. You can make it at home. Okay, with your family you enjoy it. Yes, I made it with my family and it was really yummy. I normally make akara myself. I don't buy akara. I made it myself at home, and homemade is always the best. Okay, so you have to fry it until it changes color. You can see now it now has a golden color. Look at the color now. Oh my god, check out. Yes, it's now in a golden color. Okay, look, it's ready. So I have to fry more. So after frying more, then I have to eat it with I eat mine with custard because I don't have pap around. So the only thing I have around me now is custard. So I eat it with custard. Please, you can come and join me. Honestly, if you are living around, you can come and join me and have a taste of my food. Okay, and you can also send me your location, say that I can send something. Check out. You can see the akara has crunchy. Look at it. Oh, this is how I enjoy my akara. I love it with crunchy side. Okay, please share my recipe. Yes, our akara is ready. Oh my god, check out. Look now, look at the face, very lovely and attractive. Yes, it was really nice. So we're gonna fry it like this. Frying it doesn't, it's so easy. You know, making akara is so easy. Okay, you can give it a try. You can give it a try at home and you will enjoy it. Mine was the best. You know, I always make the best food. Yes. Check out that. Look at Akara now. Oh, look now. Are you not seeing? Look at the inside. I just open it for you to see how it looks like.